Hi everybody, my name is Patrick Mitchell. This is my 33rd Kickstarter campaign, and I'd like to introduce you to the easiest RFID reader module you're ever going to come in contact with. This is the Fast RFID reader. It is production ready, Raspberry Pi and Arduino compatible, and ready to play with seconds out of the box. Rewards will ship in 6 weeks. Let me show you how it works. Power it up with the program jumper, selecting program mode. Take your 5 RFID cards, card 1, card 2, card 3, card 4, card 5. Programmed. Now power it up with the jumper selecting scanning mode, and the cards are saved to EEPROM memory. An incorrect card will offer a red blink, and any of the cards that we have programmed will offer a green blink. And the outputs, either USB or right here, will offer card data which can interface with your Raspberry Pi or Arduino, like this. Use only 3 wires to connect your fast RFID module to your Arduino Uno and start displaying card data to your computer screen immediately. Fully commented sample code will be provided for both the fast RFID module and your Arduino Uno. Here is an incorrect card, and here is card 5. There's an FTDI connection on the back of the board which allows for you to easily change the code on the ATmega328PU that's connected to the fast RFID reader, or you can simply pop the chip out and program it in your Arduino Uno, whatever works best for you. The fast RFID reader is extremely easy to use right out of the box, and it's inexpensive. There are 6 mounting holes to take advantage of, and as with all of my other campaigns, the idea is to ship 1 week to 2 weeks after this campaign ends. Along with all of the sample code, a detailed video manual will be provided at the end of this campaign. Thanks for watching. I hope to have you aboard. Have a wonderful day, everyone.